Hi, my name is Chintek. I'm the business engineer at Exclusive Network. And today, I would like to talk about what CrowdStrike offer and how CrowdStrike help organizations like yours to transform and stay safe. Okay, breaches are everywhere. So breaches are everywhere even in this pandemic situation. As today, most of us are working from home and working remotely also. The last and the only layer of the firewall we have in our endpoint security is the antivirus. Because we are now leaving the perimeter defense as we do not have the firewall, the IPS, the SDN, and so on with us. Based on the IDC research, it says that about 1 in 3 or 30% of the organization have been hit by a cybersecurity breach in the last 12 months. Okay, in this slide, for CrowdStrike, we say that we stop breaches. So how we do that? We stop breaches with our cloud-native endpoint security platform. We provide a platform that gives the organization everything they need to stop breaches in one and a simple solution. Okay, in this slide, let us talk about the MI3 attack framework. In the MI3 attack framework, right, we are talking about the breakout time. So the breakout time is from 1 toward initial access all the way to the 8 with a lateral movement. And it takes about 1 hour and 58 minutes. This is what we call the breakout time. So after the stage 8 with a lateral movement, that's where the malware start to spread and even data is already being collected and transferred out of customer environment. So in order to stop an attack, we need to stop within this breakout time. In simple words, we need to stop breaches within the breakout time before it becomes the real damage to our environment. Okay, in order to stay ahead, right, there's the rules are 10 60 rules coming. If you have an SOC in place, right, okay, you will be able to achieve this the 1-10-60 rules. 1 minute to detect, 10 minutes to investigate, and remediation and containment within 1 hour. So if you have your current SOC is able to detect the threat at the first place, right, then your organization will be safe from the attack. But let's say if your current SOC is unable to achieve uh, this, right, so right then that's where the CrowdStrike will be able to help you. Okay. Refer to the enormous resources that organization dedicated to security. Breaches continue to happen and they happen for 3 core reasons. So the first reason is uh, attacks are sophisticated. So today we are talking about attacks that come from different format, be it known or unknown the malware, or be it is the file-based type of attack or the fileless type of attack. And also there are attack living off the land using the existing tools like PowerShell or fileless in the execution. And solutions are complex. Customers have more than enough solutions in their environment, and the solutions are very complex, and some of them might not have the integration within each other. And also in an organization, most of the organization in terms of IT department, uh, we know that they are all is undersized. Uh, and that's for two main reasons. Okay, so Number one is we don't have enough people to handle all the solutions that we have already deployed in our organization. And the reason number two is the experienced engineer is very limited. Every organization is struggling in hiring a skillful engineer to tackle all the security issue in their environment. Okay, next in this slide is how the CrowdStrike can be able to come in to help you. So at first place, we are able to offer a better protection, be it we are talking about the file-based or even the fileless type of attack, or even the leaving of the LAN type of attack. And the second one, we are able to give you a better performance. The better performance is because with our single lightweight agent, you're able to come in to replace your existing solution. And our single lightweight agents is used only 40 megabyte of installation file size and 2% of the CPU resources and so on. Okay. Last but not least, for the better time to value, is because of with our solution, we provide immediate time to value delivered by the cloud native platform. Why is that so? Right? Because we do not need to spend your time, right? So building up the management, and the only thing is just you need to deploy the sensor at your endpoint, and then your endpoint is now protected by CrowdStrike. Okay, in this slide, you say that our Falcon platform is 100% cloud native. First and foremost, as our solution is on the cloud, right? So this is to this will eliminate the management burden associated with the installation, management, and also tuning on the legacy security solution. The cloud gives us a very fast and seamless delivery of innovation and new features to always stay a step ahead of emerging the threats. And the second one within the cloud is our proprietary CrowdStrike Threat Graph. Threat Graph is the brain of our platform and among the largest and most powerful analytic engine in cybersecurity. Threat Graph ingests, index, and analyze the trillion of events every week from the vast array of the CrowdStrike protection endpoint. Leverage on the cloud scale AI and behavior analytics to identify the sophisticated threats. Last but not least, we also not forget about our single lightweight agent. The single lightweight agent can stop all kind of attack without slowing down your system. Our lightweight agent dynamically capture high data with our proprietary smart filtering technology, always capturing the right security data without sacrificing the performance of your endpoint. So it's powered by local AI and behavioral analytics in addition to the cloud. Our lightweight agent always provides maximum protection, whether online or offline, without impacting to your production. Okay, threat intel. The power of our Falcon platform is unlocked by our world-class threat intel. It's because we will tell you who are the adversary. So you must first understood your adversary, and this is the key point in order for you to stop them. Threat intel is our DNA, and it enriches everything we do. It's derived not only from our world-class threat research, but also from the first-hand experience of our threat hunter and professional service team. So, and also we work hard to automate and integrate the intel based on the global threat landscape as well as the specific threat targeting your organization, making it easy to drive action and speed investigation and response. While many endpoint security tools help you to prevent, detect, and respond, CrowdStrike is the first to take it to the next level by delivering the predictive capability through the integration of threat intel. This allows you to anticipate future attacks, deploy proactive protection, and for the first time, go ahead for your adversaries. Okay, for security, there's no one can say that I can help you to prevent 100%. Most of the security or the solution out there, right? So they say that we help you to prevent 99%. So what happens that if there's an attack is so advanced and it try to attack in your environment, so how do you address that? Okay, so for CrowdStrike, we deliver not only the groundbreaking technology, but we embedded it with our live human expertise. We are pioneer in this new delivery model for cybersecurity, where our expert, which is the real people with years of industry experience, work hand in hand with you to deliver a better security outcome. Okay, our Overwatch threat hunting expert also leverage the massive scale of the CrowdStrike threat graph to proactively hunt for the most sophisticated threat in your environment by 24 times 7 times 365 days. Our Overwatch works as an extension of your team to find stealthy threat and targeted attack designed by attackers to bypass automation and algorithm, and they do it without adding the overhead, complexity, or even cost service arrangement. In addition, our expert can provide a turnkey experience either via our Falcon platform team or through our value managed service partner. Deliver the endpoint protection as the managed service means that you have to help you will help you indeed for deployment, for management, and also monitoring, as well as through remote remediation. Falcon platform delivers a total hand-off peace of mind, and the backup with the industry is only 1 million breach prevention warranty. Finally, CrowdStrike professional service experts act as the tip of the spear, delivering tactics such as incident response as well as strategy advisory service to help you mature your security operation and ensure that your team is ready to protect you from the threat of tomorrow. Okay, so here's an overview of the picture of our Falcon platform. And our Falcon platform does a lot of things. So we put it into three key of functionality. So the first one is the endpoint security. Second is the security operation. And the third one is our threat intel. So if you are serious about stopping the breaches in your environment, then you might need to take the whole as an approach. Okay, first come with the endpoint security. It combines the endpoint protection leverage on the cloud scale AI and deep link analytics to deliver the best in class EDR, next gen antivirus, device control, and the firewall management. Okay, so that protection extends not only to the traditional endpoint, but also into the cloud security, providing the visibility needed to stop breaches on cloud workloads, runtime protection for workload and container, and a simple cloud-native architecture that reduces the complexity and provides immediate time to value. Next, Falcon delivers security and IT operations capability, including the IT hygiene, vulnerability assessment, managed endpoint protection, and managed threat hunting. Finally, it is enriched by our world-class threat intel, including the malware search and also the sandbox analysis that's fully integrated and automated, delivering the deep context and predictive capability. All this is delivered through our single lightweight agent, providing the comprehensive endpoint security and visibility for all your workloads, including your workstation, server, cloud, workload, container, and also mobile devices. Our platform was built for nearly limited extensibility, allowing you to leverage that single lightweight agent and single platform to deliver outcomes that go beyond the endpoint security. Okay, to summarize, we are unique because we provide a better protection, performance, and also value in a turnkey solution. We tend to reduce the complexity with the single lightweight agent. We only use 2% of the processing power, mainly because we are leveraged on the power of the cloud to do all the complex decision and analysis. Also, we want to improve the endpoint protection with our built-in AI machine learning, and we supplement it with our human expertise and the managed threat hunting. We also get we also get access to our expertise. If your team is not fully trained up yet, then we can actually rely on or provide additional reinforcement or backup for you. Our experts work every day by your side, and this will allow you to truly effective with the skill and the staff you have. Earlier, I also mentioned about what we can provide immediate of value. What do you need is to just deploy an agent in your environment and return the policy on in our cloud, and your endpoint is immediately protected. Everything can be deployed within 1 day. Okay, so with our CrowdStrike Cloud Native Falcon platform powered by technology, intelligence, and expertise, we make it possible for you to improve your protection and truly stop breaches. Okay, thank you.